Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to make a really fun, authentic pizza dough. This is super simple. We're going to make a very large pizza today. This is about 1 pound or 454 grams. I have 270 grams of pizza flour, but don't worry, you can use all-purpose flour as well, and you'll make amazing pizza. 176 grams of room temperature water, 15 grams of olive oil, 5 grams of salt, and our last ingredient, 1.5 grams of instant yeast. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. Into my mixing bowl, I'm going to get in all of my flour, my instant yeast, give that a little bit of a stir, my salt, give that a stir, olive oil, and if you don't have olive oil, you can use vegetable oil or canola oil. And our last ingredient, our water. And that's it. Let's get this on the mixer. I got my stand mixer ready to go. I am using the dough hook for this recipe, so we'll drop this down and we'll get this going. I'm going to put it on speed number 2, 14 minutes. There's 1, 2. So now I'll just let that go for 14 minutes and then I'll be back. Alexa, set a timer for 14 minutes.
14-minute timer started.
So that's my 14-minute timer that just finished. I'll lift that up. The dough looks really good. So I'm going to remove it from the bowl and then I'll be back. I always like to take the total dough ball weight, so I'm just going to spray a little water on here so that the dough doesn't stick. And then we'll just get that on. We'll see what it is. And let's check that out. So 458 grams, so close enough. That's just about a pound. That's good. I have an oiled bowl here. I just sprayed that with a little bit of olive oil spray. And then, this dough is a little bit sticky, but if I do this quickly, I should be okay. So let's look at it. That'll be the bottom. I'm gonna flip it like that. And then what I want to do to form this ball is I'm going in and I'm turning at the same time. So in and turn. If I do this quickly, it doesn't stick to my hands. And you can see already how nice that dough ball has become. Look at that. That looks amazing. Just like that. If you want to be fancy, you can give it a little bit of a roll. You see that in some restaurants as they're preparing their dough. So that looks good. Scoop it up and then right into a nice oiled bowl. And then all I have to do, just spray this with a little bit more oil and cover it with plastic wrap. So I've just sprayed my dough and then we'll just cover it with a little piece of plastic wrap. Just like that. And that there is finished. And that's how easy it is to make an authentic pizza dough. Nothing special about it, there's no magic. Very simple ingredients and a very simple technique. So we've made our dough, and the next question is, when can I use my dough? Leave it on your counter like this, 1.5 hours to 2 hours, you're going to see a lot of activity. The dough will rise up and it'll basically double in size, and at that point you are ready to use your dough. You'll bring it out onto a floured surface, push it out or roll it out if you want to use a rolling pin, a little bit of sauce, your cheese, your toppings, and then bake it. If you're baking your pizza in your traditional kitchen oven, you want to go for about 550 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's 288 degrees Celsius. And baking time is about 8 to 10 minutes. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate it. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out there as well, at BakeLikeAPro. And to finish off my video, as I usually do, I'll include some photos of this pizza after I baked it. So that's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.